Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to paint a peaceful coastal scene featuring a classic lighthouse overlooking the ocean. Surrounded by wild grasses, colorful flowers, and a charming stone pathway leading toward the sea. It's a bright and relaxing landscape filled with fresh ocean air, soft sunlight, and a sense of calm that makes you want to step right into the painting. To begin, I use a light blue color and a flat brush to paint the sky. As I work downward toward the horizon, I gradually mix more white into the blue, creating a softer and lighter transition that gives the sky a natural sense of depth and atmosphere. Next, I establish the horizon line where the sea meets the sky. If you'd like a perfectly straight horizon, you can use masking tape as a guide. This simple trick helps create a clean and professional-looking separation between the sky and the water. For the ocean, I continue using blue, but gradually introduce yellow and white to create beautiful turquoise tones. As I move lower on the canvas, I subtly lighten the colors, allowing the water to feel luminous and reflective under the sunlight. I then mix red, yellow, and a touch of black to create a rich, dark brown and use it to cover the remaining lower portion of the canvas. This dark base will help the foreground elements stand out later and add contrast to the composition. With a smaller brush, I return to the sky and paint a few delicate wisps of clouds. I keep them thin and elongated, as if they are being gently stretched by a steady ocean breeze. These subtle cloud formations add movement and help guide the viewer's eye across the scene. Back on the water, I use lighter versions of the base ocean colors to paint soft, horizontal strokes. These strokes suggest gentle waves and ripples moving across the surface. I don't want the water to become overly detailed. Instead, I aim for a calm and peaceful feeling that complements the lighthouse. Now it's time for the centerpiece of the painting, the lighthouse. I begin by painting the tall, cylindrical tower using white paint, carefully shaping its rounded structure. Lighthouses are iconic symbols of guidance, safety, and hope, and I want this one to feel strong yet elegant against the vast ocean backdrop. Using a small round brush and thinned paint, I sketch the lantern room at the top, including the railings, windows, and architectural details. Little by little, I build up the structure, refining the shapes and adding highlights to give the lighthouse more dimension and realism. To create shadows, I mix white, black, and a touch of blue to make a cool gray tone. I apply this shade along one side of the tower, following the curve of the structure. My brush strokes follow the cylindrical form so the lighthouse appears truly round rather than flat. Once the lighthouse is complete, I move on to the foreground. I mix a dark green using blue, yellow, and a touch of black and paint the grassy areas on both sides of the scene. These dark shapes serve as the foundation for the vegetation that will gradually become more detailed and vibrant. Next, I create a warm cream-colored mixture and begin painting the stone pathway leading toward the lighthouse and the sea. Each stone is slightly different in shape and size. As the path moves closer to the viewer, the stones become larger and more distinct, helping create depth and perspective. After establishing the stones, I use lighter highlights to define their surfaces and make them appear raised and textured. Small variations in color and value help each stone feel unique and natural. Now I turn my attention back to the grasses and shrubs. Using progressively lighter greens, I paint layers of blades of grass and small bushes. Each new layer adds more detail, texture, and dimension. I vary the direction, length, and thickness of the brushstrokes to keep the vegetation looking organic and lively. As I continue building these layers, the foreground becomes richer and more realistic. The contrast between the dark base colors and the bright highlights helps the grasses catch the sunlight and appear full of life. Finally, I add a few bright red wildflowers scattered throughout the greenery on both sides of the path. These small touches of color bring energy and charm to the painting, creating a beautiful contrast against the greens and blues of the landscape. With the final highlights in place, our peaceful seaside lighthouse scene is complete. I hope you enjoyed painting along with me today and found this tutorial relaxing and inspiring. If you did enjoy it, please consider giving the video a like, leaving a comment, and subscribing to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next painting, take care and happy painting.